Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the front bumper on Opel Corsa E. The bumper is held by a couple of bolts on top, a couple of bolts on the side, and also a couple of bolts on the bottom. To remove the front bumper, first we're going to be removing the bolts that hold the bumper on top. The bolts are right there, I'm showing you. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. There's also two screws on both sides that we need to remove. Next we need to remove the bolts holding the wheel arch liner. These are the bolts that we need to remove. I've already removed them, and this is the screw right there that holds the front bumper to the wing. I've already removed that as well, and now you can only pull out the bumper. You do the same on the other side. 3 bolts on the wheel arch liner and 1 bolt here right there on top to remove the bumper from the wing. Afterwards we go underneath the car and we remove this bolt holding the bumper to the front subframe, and it's the same on the other side. We need to remove that bolt right there. Now that all the bolts are removed, we're going to pull out the bumper. That's the bumper off. Now, before we remove the bumper completely, we need to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors, and then we can put the bumper to the side. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.